the process of compliance, particularly with the ICT component. I'm most obliged.
With your kind permission, my ladies and my lords, the application was my application.
My lady, sorry for that. I've just been reminded by my learned senior counsel lead, Professor Githu Muigai, that again, in relation to the question of representation, we do not want to reopen it, but when you gave the order in relation to the specific commissioners, you mentioned Professor Gulier, you mentioned Commissioner Molu. Their counsel are not in court today. For clarity, we wanted to just mention that they will have their counsel, subject to your directions, appear in court tomorrow. One for each, as indicated in the order. I'm most obliged.
My Lady Chief Justice, the Supreme Court judges, my name is Professor Wajackoya, a presidential candidate.
Professor Wajackoya, please, we have an issue on the floor. Would you wait until we address these issues? Then we can come back to you, please.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Otieno.
Prayer number 4 that you've granted in the morning, my lords and my ladies. In our application, we had requested for Form 34A's Book 2 of 2, but in your directions, I believe it was misspelled. It was indicated as Form 34C Book 2. So maybe when you give directions, you can clarify that it's Book 34A, so it's Forms 34A Book 2, not 34C. That's all.
Your Ladyship, the Chief Justice, members of this court, we wish to draw your attention to prayer number 2, where you directed that